The Rabbit and Tortoise Story. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest surrounded by green hills and flowing streams, lived many animals. Birds chirped, deer grazed, and monkeys swung from tree to tree. Among these creatures were two very different animals, a rabbit and a tortoise. The rabbit was fast, full of energy, and loved to show off. He had long legs, powerful hind feet, and always bounced around the forest with pride. He often bragged about his speed and laughed at the slower animals. "Look at me," he would say. "No one can run like I do. I'm the fastest in this forest." The tortoise, on the other hand, was quiet, humble, and slow-moving. His shell was heavy, and his steps were small and careful. But what he lacked in speed, he made up for in determination and patience. He never gave up, no matter how long something took. One sunny morning, the rabbit was hopping along the path when he came across the tortoise, who was slowly making his way toward a bush full of ripe berries. The rabbit laughed. "You're so slow, tortoise. It would take you all day just to reach that bush. Why don't you give up and let me bring you the berries instead?" The tortoise looked up and replied calmly, "I may be slow, rabbit, but I get where I need to go, eventually. Speed isn't everything." The rabbit smirked. "Are you saying you could beat me in a race?" The tortoise thought for a moment and said, "Why not? Let's have a race and find out." The rabbit was surprised but amused. "You beat me? That's the funniest thing I've heard all week. All right then, let's race." Word spread quickly through the forest. All the animals gathered to see the most unlikely race in forest history. Birds flew in, monkeys sat on branches, deer stood near the trees, and even the wise old owl came down to watch. The race course was simple. From the big oak tree near the river to the tall hill across the meadow, a distance long enough to test endurance. The fox, known for his fairness, was chosen as the referee. He raised his paw and said, "On your marks, get set, go." The rabbit shot off like a lightning bolt. In seconds, he was far ahead of the tortoise. The crowd gasped in amazement at his speed. The tortoise, as expected, moved slowly but steadily, one small step at a time. The rabbit glanced back and saw the tortoise far behind. He laughed. "This is going to be the easiest win of my life," he said. "I think I'll take a nap under this tree. That tortoise will take forever to catch up." So the rabbit curled up in the shade and fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving, slowly, steadily, without stopping. He didn't worry about the rabbit or the crowd. He focused on the path in front of him and took one step after another. The sun rose higher in the sky, and birds chirped as time passed. The tortoise continued on. After a while, the rabbit woke up. He stretched, yawned, and looked around. "Let's see where that slow tortoise is now," he said. To his shock, he saw the tortoise far ahead on the path, almost at the finish line. The rabbit panicked. How could this happen? "I must catch up." He ran as fast as he could, his legs flying beneath him. The animals cheered and gasped. The rabbit was fast, but the tortoise was only a few steps away from the finish. With one final step, the tortoise crossed the finish line, just moments before the rabbit arrived. The crowd erupted in cheers. The tortoise had won the race. The rabbit was speechless. He couldn't believe he had lost to the slow, steady tortoise. The tortoise turned to him and said kindly, "You are indeed fast, rabbit. But I didn't stop, I didn't rest, and I never gave up. Sometimes, steady effort wins the race." The rabbit lowered his ears in shame. "You're right, tortoise. I was overconfident and lazy. I thought I didn't need to try hard. I've learned my lesson." From that day on, the rabbit stopped bragging and learned to be humble. He respected the tortoise and all the other animals. He also trained harder and never took his talents for granted again. The tortoise, as always, continued moving slowly and steadily, but now, with the respect of the whole forest. And so, the story of the rabbit and the tortoise became a favorite tale in the forest. Parents told it to their children, and young animals learned a valuable lesson. It's not always the fastest or the strongest who win, but the one who stays focused, works hard, and never gives up. Moral of the story: slow and steady wins the race. It teaches us that consistency, patience, and perseverance are often more valuable than speed or talent alone. Overconfidence can lead to failure, while humility and determination can lead to success, even when the odds seem against you.